something about Richard. When he was turning 39, actually 40, I remember we were still together. And I said to him, baby, don't worry, you're not turning 40. You will always be, for me, 39.95 plus shipping and handling. I will be able to ship you, but I can never handle you. So here are the divorce papers. That's how we ended. Nick, thank you. It was a great speech. I love that you used your personal stories and you actually took us into life timeline through your life. I knew after 2 or 3 times you said, not so good, getting better public speaker, I knew you were not talking about my ex-husband. Because he's not getting better. You took us through your story into very picturing way. What I could not relate to is because it's after dinner speaking, and we didn't know your friends. You use their names. Maybe it could be fun if you say, 2 of my friends, one looks like you and another one looks like you. Oh well, no, the other one was female. Are you female, Lily? Or something like that to engage us a little bit so we can picture that story of your child as you're growing up. When you started here, you were looking down here. I didn't get you. When you come, look at us. Don't say a word. Look at us. Connect first. And then start talking. Because when you were explaining the story about rafting, you were so connected, looking at all of us, explaining how the river is going, showing with your arms. You got all us captured. If you can start like this, you will completely own this in the whole story. Your farting joke was very interesting and for us completely appropriate. It showed to me, my first impression was, oh my God, after that he's still here. I like this guy. Maybe he can be my 5th husband. And I love the way we were laughing. You could be with us. You could share yourself with every one of us. And at the end, since we all knew the title of your speech, Getting Better, Not So Good, Getting Better Public Speaker, maybe you could end with, that was the story about, not so good, we will all say Getting Better Public Speaker. Because if you come here as a role of a speaker, say a speaker. Don't become an MC and relinquish to any one of us. We want to know you, end up with the juice and passion. Just like my marriage with our Richard Mr. General Evaluation.